Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their iPhone 15 Pro Max case to unbox and show you. Inside of this box this is a magnetic, oh look at that little stand, iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So this one looks to be the black version. Nice clear back here, so you'll be able to see your phone's color. Magnetic ring for all of your MagSafe accessories. Cut out for the camera, power button, volume rockers, charging port and speakers, and a nice flexible case with an extra little magnetic band to make sure that your items are magnetic and stick with MagSafe. They also include a little stand, their logo on it. It's just a portable phone holder. You can open this up and it will hold your iPhone either that way or that way. Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of here is a magnetic iPhone 15 Pro Max case with a little included phone stand there. It's pretty cool. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This is the magnetic version, so it has the ring on the back. Make sure all your MagSafe accessories connect in correctly. Nice clear back where you could see the color of your iPhone. This is a very nice blue color, like metallic blue, as you can see along the sides and on the back here. Power button, volume rockers, cut out for your camera, charging port and speakers, and a very nice case. Special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their iPhone 15 case. Inside of this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max case, a little kickstand here. This one is the magnetic case. So this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You have your magnetic ring here on the back, completely see-through, nice like a silver color here going on the sides, volume rockers, power button, charger, and speaker grills, as well as a camera cutout, and a nice case to protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Then you also get this nice little portable phone holder. That way you can set this up at your desk and have your phone like this or like that. And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this box is a magnetic silver with a little phone stand here, iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So this one has the magnetic ring to help all of your MagSafe items connect correctly. Very clear back phone case where you can see your colors. Nice cutout for your cameras, cutout for your power button, volume rockers, charging port and speaker grill, and a very nice silver clear iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Also, they include a little portable phone holder, just something you could like use at your desk to display your phone this way or this way. Very nice. Special thanks again to this company for sending me this phone case to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.